Hey everyone, welcome back to our Robotics for Beginners series. In the last episode, we wrote our first Arduino code and made a light blink. But today, it's time to make something even cooler. We're going to make our robot move. Here's what you'll need for this project: an Arduino Uno board, a L298N motor driver module, 2 DC motors or geared motors, a battery pack, 7.4V or 9V, a small robot chassis with wheels, jumper wires, and a breadboard. You can easily find beginner robot car kits online that include all of these parts. So how does this setup work? The Arduino is the brain. It sends control signals. The motor driver is like a translator. It takes small signals from the Arduino and gives the motors the power they need. And the motors move the wheels. That's how we turn code into motion. Let's wire everything step by step. 1. Connect the Arduino 5V to the motor driver 5V input. 2. Connect GND to GND, always important. 3. Connect the motor driver input pins, EN1, EN2, EN3, EN4, to Arduino pins, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4. Connect the motors to the motor driver outputs, out 1, out 4. 5. Finally, connect your battery pack to power the motors. Always double-check your wiring before turning it on. It can save your components. Now let's program it. Here's a simple sketch to make your robot move forward, stop, and move backward. This code makes the robot go forward for 2 seconds, stop, go backward, and stop again. Easy, right? Now let's upload the code and see what happens. Look at that, our little robot is alive. This is your first moving robot, and it's just the beginning. Today, you learned how to connect and power DC motors, how to use a motor driver with Arduino, and how to control motion with code. In the next video, we'll make this robot smarter by adding sensors so it can detect obstacles or follow a line automatically. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Your robot journey is just getting started.